It looks like a diode, but what's this component? It has two endings, one shorter than the other. Negative end will be the shorter. Testing it with a multimeter in diode mode. There is no reading in both way, but in ohm mode there is a reading. When the component is placed in darkness, its resistance becomes infinite, so it reacts to light. Using a television remote control as a light source to observe the component's behavior. It only reacts to the infrared light from the remote control in one direction. So this component is an infrared photodiode receiver. Thanks for watching.